Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abrar Ahmed, and today I will be telling you about one of the most common mistakes by the IELTS or CSS students when they go to the writer. They usually make mistake in using the article the. Although some of the students they use complex or compound sentences and their vocabulary sometimes is excellent, but still they are making mistake in using the article the. So after the evaluation of so many essays, I have decided to make the video to aware all the students at all levels how to use article the. So if you want to be expert in using the article in your writing, watch my video till the end and complete the task provided you at the end of the video. If you really want to learn, so while watching my video, make your own notes and do practice as well. And if you are still confused about anything, feel free to ask me in the comment box. Let's go to the video. Before to know about the use of the article in English, so we need to know what the is. In English, the is called definite article because it talks about specific or noun, person, place, or thing. So definite means something clear, exact, or noun. So a definite article points to something special or already known. If we talk about the uses of the article in English, so remember, we always use the article to make the things specific. So there are 10 uses of article the in English that I have found. So in this video, I will tell you the first 5 uses. So after explaining the each use, I will give you an example and then a task to do. Let's go next. So use number 1 of the in English is when both speaker and listener know what thing they are talking about. Suppose if Vanya is not feeling well in the room and she says to Alim, please Alim, open the window. And here Vanya knows what window she is talking about. And Alim also knows what window she is talking about. So the window is known by the speaker and the listener. So the article will be used with that window to make it specific. Another example could be if there is a computer in the room and Wahab and Arushe are sitting in the same room. And now Arushe says to Wahab, please Wahab, can you turn on the computer for me? So here Wahab knows what computer Rushe is talking about, and Rushe knows that what computer she is talking about. So to make it specific, we use article the. So here is an example. It was very hot in the room. Vanya looked at Alim and said, please open the window. Alim stood up and walked to the window. He opened it slowly. The cool air made both of them feel better. So here you can see with this specific window, the article is used here and here. Now to understand better, this is your turn to do the task now. Now let's learn the use number 2 of the. So these use when the thing is mentioned for the second time. Suppose if I say, I saw a cat. So the cat was running. With the first sentence, you can notice I used the article a. I saw a cat. And for the second time, I'm using the with the cat. For the first time, we use a or an with the thing, and for the second time to mention, we use the article. So let's go to the example to understand better. Yesterday, I saw a dog outside my house. The dog was barking loudly and looking hungry. So here you can notice, as I mentioned, the dog first time I used article are here. And when I mentioned the same dog for the second time, I used the article. To understand better, Go to the task now. Now let's learn the use number 3 of the in English. So when there is only one such thing, like for the unique things, use the in English. Suppose sun is only one in the world and that is unique. So whenever you will mention sun in the text, use the article with the sun. I live on the earth. So earth is only one. Use the article with the unique things. Let's go to the example to understand better. So here in example, you can notice the sun was shining brightly and the sky was clear. The earth looks beautiful from space. So here you can notice sun is unique. That is only one in the world. So use the article here. And the sky, that is also unique, only one in the world. So use the article here. And the earth is also one and only, and use the article because these are all the unique things. To be master in this, go to the task now. Now let's learn the use number 4. So use number 4 tells us that the is used with the superlative adjective degree. Suppose if I say Ali is the best boy, so the best is the superlative degree. So use the here. To learn it better, go to the example. She is the best student in the class. She always gets full marks and helps others too. To learn it better, now go to the task. Use number 5 tells us that the is used with the rivers, oceans, seas, deserts, and mountain ranges. Suppose if I say the Indus River, the Pacific Ocean. Let's go to the example to understand better. Here, the Indus River flows through the Pakistan. It is one of the longest river in South Asia. Many people depend on the Indus for farming and drinking water. So here you can notice with the Indus River, we have used the article. And if you go back a little to the fourth rule, so longest is the superlative degree of adjective. So here, the is used with it also. Now you understand better. This is your turn now. Go to the task and solve it. Now you have learned 5 uses of the article. To learn other 5 uses, go to the part 2.